What is up, everyone? I am Stock Sniper Mike, and today we're going to hit you with a multi-month breakout trade review. Today we're going to talk about an OTC Housing related penny stock. Now we have two out there, Freddie Mae and Fannie Mac. Both of the stocks seem to follow each other, FMCC and FNMA. Both of the stocks ended up spiking 40% total overnight from the move that we ended up taking. Now we like to take the meat of the move, so we're going to go over how we were able to make just about 15% plus on this move. We actually traded FMCC, but what's great about FMCC and FNMA is they follow each other. And if one goes first, the other one is going to follow. And that's exactly what happened here. FMCC following FNMA. So I'm going to bring you into the Thinkorswim app, and we're going to go over the day that we got in, which was a couple days ago. So we bought in on Wednesday. We liked it because it was creating a multi-month breakout, which means the stock has not broke out of this spot in a span of 6 months. What was also great was the stock made highs of right around 58 cents, multi-month highs, and then it came down and held 55 cents. So it's got a clear resistance spot of 58, we have a clear support spot of 55, and that's what you want to look for when you're buying a stock. What's even better is 62 cents was the 52-week breakout, and that's what we were looking for the next day. So when we decided to buy into this stock, we like to get in towards the end of the day, which is power hour, from 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern time. At that point, FNMA was getting a very nice spike, but FMCC was still lagging behind. So we decided to get into FMCC instead of FNMA because it was lagging behind by a couple of cents. By the time FNMA was at 60 cents, FMCC was still sitting right around 56 cents, and that's why we decided to get in at the end of the day. We bought in right around there with about 10-15 minutes left, and we're looking for the follow-up day to pass 62 cents multi-month breakout using that clear-cut spot of right there, right around 55 cents. So getting in right around 56, upper 56s, risking 55, you're only risking about 2.5% there. Nice risk level for the upside of 40%. Now, we always like to say you never know when the top is or the bottom's going to be, and it's almost impossible to guess that in the stock market. That's why we love the stock market. It's honestly just like golf. But with this stock, it's all about taking the meat of the move and moving on. We look for 15% when we're trying to profit, and that's what we were able to get here. We got in. The next morning, it opened up on Thursday, and it spiked to 60 cents. It had a big buyer at 60 cents, so we decided to hold on to it, and it continued to spike up all the way to that 62 cent breakout. As it broke that 62 cent high, we liked the way that it was pushing up, 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 and then we eventually decided to grab our bag as it was on the way up, pushing all the way to 65 cents. We decided to get out. Got out a little too early because the stock actually continued another 10% all the way up to 70 cents. And then it settled throughout the day and then continued to run right around 80 cents during power hour. So we were able to make just around $12.50 in profit. But look at the amazing legs this has on the stock. Can't beat ourselves up for not being able to guess the top here, but definitely could have been a little more patient on the way up here. What you do want to do in situations like this is move your stop loss up, continue to move your stop loss up, and then you don't end up taking your profits a little too soon. Another thing I think we could have done a little better is scale out slower and slower and slower. Instead of just taking half our size and half our size right around 65 cents, we could have sold a portion of our shares, a portion of our shares, a portion of our shares. Those are just two ways that we could have made this trade better. But at the end of the day, making $1,250 in a stock that you're really only in for about 30 minutes from the night before and then from the day after, that is a job well done, snipers. You never know when this is going to come back, and that's why it's important to review these trade reviews. Multi-month breakouts happen all the time, and they're one of the snipers' favorite patterns, and we'll definitely have one coming again very soon. If you'd like to join us or grab some bags with us, check us out at thestocksnipers.com or on the Apple App Store or Google Play under Stock Snipers. We alerted this alert in our chat, but we highly don't recommend you to copy our buy and sell alerts. But we also provide watch lists, weekly webinars, and a full trading archive to learn just like this trade right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and hopefully you guys are going to be tagging some bags with us next time. I'll see you back here for the next multi-month breakout review. Stock Sniper Mike. Out. Peace.